With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, on increasing the temperature by 10 Kelvin, the rate of the reaction becomes double. Which of the following is the most appropriate reason for that? Okay. So what happens is that if there is an increase in the temperature by 10 Kelvin, the rate becomes double. So what happens is that as we increase the temperature, right, as we increase the temperature, the molecular collisions increases, right? The molecular collisions increases because as we are increasing the temperature, the molecules become free and more collisions take place, right? On increasing the temperature, the molecules have more spaces to collide with each other and therefore the collisions are going to increase. Now, more will be the collisions between these molecules, more will be the molecular collisions, or more will be the particles colliding with each other. What is going to happen? They are going to cross the activation energy barrier easily, right? They are going to cross the activation energy barrier easily and lead to the formation of the products. It means that the rate of the reaction is also going to increase, right? Because more easily they are able to cross the barrier, more easily the products are formed, and more easily the products are formed, it means that the rate of the reaction has increased, right? So what really happens is that if we look at the curve, right, if we look at the curve between the energy and the reaction progress, then the curve that we obtain is something like this, right? So suppose these are your reactants and this is the product side, right? This energy corresponds to the activation energy, right? So what really happens is that reactant molecules, if we increase the temperature, the molecules in these reactants or the reactant molecules are going to collide faster. When they are going to collide faster, it means that they are going to cross this barrier easily, right? This is the activation energy barrier. If there are more collisions due to the increase in temperature, they will react faster. They will cross this barrier very, very easily. And on crossing this barrier, they will be able to reach the products easily. More easily they're able to cross the barrier, more easily they're able to reach to the products. And if they're able to reach to the products easily, it means that the rate of the reaction is going to increase. So that happens because of these collisions, because of the increased collisions between the molecules, the barrier can be crossed in a less amount of time easily, and therefore the reaction can be proceeded easily and in a faster way, and the rate of the reaction can increase. Okay, that is why on increasing the temperature by 10 Kelvin, the rate almost doubles. So on increasing the temperature, the collisions increases, which leads to an increase in the rate of the reaction. Okay. So if we look at the options, the option that correctly or appropriately describes this is given in option number 4. The higher the temperature, the large is the fraction of the colliding particles that can cross the energy barrier. And that's the correct answer for the question. The main part is that they should be able to cross this energy barrier, because once they're able to cross the energy barrier, they're going to form products. And that is how the entire process is going to take place. Okay. So the first option says that with increase in temperature, the velocity is increased and hence the number of collisions are appreciably increased. So they're not talking about the activation energy in this option. They're not talking about the energy barrier in this option. So that cannot be the correct answer. The next is the activation energy decreases with the increase in temperature. This is also not the appropriate reason that we are looking for. We are looking for a reason which says that because of the increase in temperature, the barrier can be crossed easily, right? There are more particles that are able to cross this energy barrier. Okay. Talking about the option 3, the bond between atoms of reacting molecules becomes weak at high temperatures. No, it also does not talk about the bonds. It talks about the collisions. So that is given in option number 4 only. That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.